Dobro večer. Drago nam je da možemo nastupati večeras za vas. Matija, bok.
Bok. Dobro večer. Ovo je Ivana.
Oh, Lord, remember me. Oh, Lord, remember me. When these chains get broken, set my body free. Oh, days get long, I call your name. Days get long, I call your name. Days get long, I can't see right from wrong. Oh Lord, I call your name. Guide me on to do your will. Guide me on to do your will. Oh, when trouble move me, keep me standing still. Guide me on to do your will. Oh, Lord, remember me. Oh, Lord, remember me. Oh, Lord, I can't see right from wrong. Oh, Lord, remember me. When these chains get broken, set my body free. Oh, Lord, remember me. Evo, mi smo malo ovaj naš redoslijed pjesama posložili.
Stvar je u tome da ne znate šta možete očekivati sve večeras, ali ne znamo ni mi. U tome je čar.
You always hurt
heart with the hasty words you can recall. So if I broke your heart last night, it's because I love you most of all.
You always hurt the one you love, the one you shouldn't hurt at all. You always take the sweetest rose and crush it until the petals fall. You always break the kindest heart with a hasty word you can recall. So if I broke your heart last night, it's because I love you most of all. It's because I love you most of all. It's because I love you most of all. Hvala, evo to su Mills Brothers, nastavljamo sa njima. Sljedeća pesma se zove Moaning for You. Moaning, moaning, moaning for you. I can't go on like this, just moaning for you. I'm a raven and craving all the way through. Life holds no charms for me, it's just a prelude in blue. Now won't you come back, Haiti, Haiti, oh how I miss you. Hody, hody, and long to kiss you. Heidi, Heidi, won't you hold me close to you. Zezuzu, zezuzi, oh baby, my baby, what can I do? I can't go on like this, 'cause I'm just moaning for you. You say you're moaning, I'm moaning, moaning all the way through. I can't go on like this, just moaning for you. I'm a raven and craving all the way through. Life holds no charms for me, it's just a prelude in blue. Now won't you come back, Haiti, Haiti, oh how I miss you. Hody, hody, and long to kiss you. Heidi, Heidi, hold me close to you. Says oh, oh, ziwazi, ooh baby, my baby, what can I do? I can't go on like this, 'cause I'm just moaning for you. napisao Charlie Chaplin i zove se Smile. Smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by. If you smile through your fear and sorrow, smile and maybe tomorrow you'll see the sun come shining through for you. Light up your face with gladness, hide every trace of sadness. Although a tear may be ever so near, that's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile. Smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by. If you smile through your fear and sorrow, smile and maybe tomorrow you'll find that life is still worthwhile, and the sun will come shining through for you. Light up your face with gladness, hide every trace of sadness. Although a tear may be ever so near, that's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile. I come from just the other side of nowhere to this big time lonesome town. They got a lot of ice and snow here, half as cold as all the people I found. Everywhere I try to go here seems to bring me down. Seen about enough to know where I belong. I've got a mind to see the headlights shining on that old white line between my heart and home. Sick of spending Sundays wishing they were Mondays, sitting in a bar alone. So give my best to anyone who's left, whoever done me any loving way but wrong. Tell him that the pride of just the other side of nowhere is going home. the soul I almost sold here, and the body I've been given away, fading from the neon nighttime glow here, heading for the light of day, just the other side of nowhere's going home. I've got a mind to see the headlights shining on that old white line between my heart and home. Sick of spending Sundays wishing they were Mondays, sitting in a park alone. So give my best to anyone who's left, whoever done me any loving way but wrong. Tell them that the pride of just the other side of nowhere is going home. Taking nothing back to show there for these dues I paid. But the soul I almost sold here, and the body I've been given away, fading from the neon nighttime glow here, heading for the light of day, just the other side of nowhere's going home. Just the other side of nowhere's going home. Just the other side of nowhere's going home. When are you gonna come down? When are you gonna land? Should've stayed on the farm, should have listened to my old man. No, you can't hold me forever, I didn't sign up with you. I'm not a present for your friends to open, this boy's too young to be singing the blues. So goodbye, yellow brick road, where the dogs of society howl. You can't plant me in your penthouse, I'm going back to my plow, back to the howling old owl in the woods, hunting the horny back toe. Oh, I finally decided my future lies beyond the yellow brick road. What do you think you'll do then? I bet they'll shoot down the plane. It'll take you a couple of vodka and tonics to set you on your feet again. Maybe you'll get a replacement, there's plenty like me to be found. Mongrels who ain't got a penny, sniffing for tidbits like you on the ground. Goodbye, yellow brick road, where the dogs of society howl. You can't plant me in your penthouse, I'm going back to my plow, back to the howling old owl in the woods, hunting the horny back toe. Oh, I finally decided my future lies beyond the yellow brick road. with Sir Elton Johna, Mr. Tom Waits. Friday left me fumbling with the blues, and it's hard to win when you always lose, 'cause the night spots when your spirit beat your head against the wall. Two dead ends and you still got to choose. You know the bartenders, they all know your name, and they catch you when you're pulling a plane. You're a pool shooting shimmy shiesty, shaking your head when you should be living clean instead. And all the ladies you've been seeing off and on, you know they spend your love and then they're gone. You can't be loving someone who is savage and cruel. Take your love and then they leave on out of town. Now they do. Well, I'm falling in love with such a breeze, but it's standing up, it's so hard for me. I wanna squeeze you, but I'm scared to death I'd break your back. You know your perfume, it won't let me be. And all the bartenders, they'll know your name, and they catch you when you're pulling up late. You're a bull shooting shimmy shiesty, shaking your hair when you should be living clean instead. Come on, baby, let your love light shine. You got to bury me inside your fire. Your eyes are enough to blind me. You're like a looking at the sun. Come on and whisper, tell me I'm the one. You gotta whisper, tell me I'm the one. Come on and whisper, tell me I'm the one. You gotta whisper, tell me I'm the one.
Imali smo probu prije, pa sam ja nešto zaboravio odsvirat, pa mi je Ivana rekla, čuj, kaj boš ti ono svirao, sad ću probati.
Probaj.
To je bilo to.
I don't like you, but I love you. Seems that I'm always thinking of you. Oh, you treat me badly. stay here, don't wanna spend another day here. Oh, I wanna split now. Well, I can't quit now. You really got a hold on me. Yeah, you really got a hold on me. I love you, and all I want you to do is just hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. You really got a hold on me. Yeah, you really got a hold on me. Well, I love you, and all I want you to do is just hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me.
Evo i sada još jedna iz toga vremena, a možda i malo kasnije, ali otprilike tu negdje.
If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, baby, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know I laughed when you left, but now I know I only hurt myself. Baby, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll give you jewelry and money too. That ain't all I'll do for you. Oh, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know I'll always be your slave till I'm buried in my grave. Baby, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One more thing, try to treat you right, but you stayed out at night. But I forgive you, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving, bring it on home to me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bring it to me. Bring your sweet love. when you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. Oh, when times get rough and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down. When you're down and out, when you're on the street, when evening falls so hard, I will comfort you. I'll take your part. Oh, when darkness comes and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down. Sail on, silver girl. Sail on by. Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. See how they shine. If you need a friend, I'm sailing right behind, like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your mind, like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your mind. I will ease your mind. I will ease your mind. I will ease your
To je jedna lijepa pjesma o prijateljstvu, a to je glavni razlog zašto Matija i ja surađujemo. Mislim, osim što on zna svirati i pjevati.
A dobro, to je više manje.
Mi bi sada, ovaj trenutak koji ste sigurno svi čekali od ovih silnih najava, pozvali naše drage prijatelje, naše goste. Iznenađenja, evo iznenađenje, sad ovaj čas prestaje. Hrvoje Barišić i Radovan Ruščak. Molim vas, dobro.
Close your eyes and close the door. You don't have to worry anymore. I'll be your baby tonight. Shut the light and shut the shades. You don't have to be afraid. I'll be your baby tonight. Well, the mockingbird's gonna sail away. We're gonna forget it. The big old moon's gonna shine like a spoon. We're gonna let it. You won't regret it. Kick your shoes off. And do not fear, bring that bottle over here. I'll be your baby tonight. Well, the mockingbird's gonna sail away. We're gonna forget it. The big old moon's gonna shine like a spoon. We're gonna let it. You won't regret it. Kick your shoes off and do not fear. Bring that bottle over here. I'll be your baby tonight. I'll be your baby tonight. I said I'll be your baby tonight.
Rekli smo vam lijepo da ne znate što ćete doživjeti, još što je danas. Imamo i bras sekciju, sad ćete ju čuti.
Way down in the hole.
When you walk through the garden, you better watch your back. Well, I beg your pardon. Walk the straight and narrow track. If you walk with Jesus, He's gonna save your soul. You gotta keep the devil way down in the hole. He's got the fire and the fury at His command. Say you don't have to worry if you hold on to Jesus' hand. We'll all be safe from Satan. sands. It's been a long, long time coming, but I know change is gonna come. Oh, yes it will. It's been too hard to live it, but I'm afraid to die, 'cause I don't know what's up there beyond the sky. It's been a long, long time coming, but I know change is gonna come. I go to the movies and I go downtown. Somebody keep telling me don't hang around. It's been a long, long time coming, but I know change is gonna come. Then I go to my brother and I said, brother, brother, help me please. But he keeps knocking me way down on my knees. Oh, there've been times that I thought I couldn't last for long. Now I think I'm able to carry on. It's been a long time coming, but I know change is gonna come. Oh, yes it will. It's been a long, long time coming, but I know a change is gonna come.
Как се върша?
Не памтим благодаря.
Naš Matija, multi-instrumentalist. Aplauz, molim.
The hills were alive with wildflowers, and I was as wild, even wilder today. For at least I could run. They just died in the sun, and I refused to just wither in place. Just a wild mountain rose, needing freedom to grow. So I ran, fearing not where I'd go. When a flower grows wild, it can always survive. Wildflowers don't care where they grow. And the flowers I knew in the hills where I grew were content to be lost in the crowd. They were common and close. I had no room for growth, and I wanted so much to branch out. So I uprooted myself from my home ground and left. Took my dreams and I took to the road. When a flower grows wild, it can always survive. Wildflowers don't care where they grow. I grew up fast and wild, and I never felt right in a garden so different from me. I just never belonged, I just longed to be gone. So the garden one day set me free. I hitched a ride with the wind, and since he was my friend, I just let him decide where we'd go. When a flower grows wild, it can always survive. Wildflowers don't care where they grow. Wildflowers don't care where they grow. Wildflowers don't care where they grow. Ooh, I bet you're wondering how I knew about your plans that made me blue. Some other girl that you knew before. Between the two of us girls, you know I love you more. Took me by surprise, I must say, when I found out yesterday. Don't you know that I heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. I heard it through the grapevine, and I'm just about to lose my mind. Honey, honey, heard it through the grapevine. How much longer would you be my baby? Heard it through the grapevine. How much longer would you be my baby? You know that a man ain't supposed to cry, but these tears I can't hold inside. Losing you would end my life, you see, 'cause you mean that much to me. You could have told me yourself that you found someone else. Instead, I heard it through the grapevine. Not much longer would you be mine. Oh, I heard it through the grapevine, and I'm just about to lose my mind. Honey, honey, heard it through the grapevine. How much longer would you be my baby? Heard it through the grapevine. How much longer would you be my baby? People say believe half of what you see, son, and none of what you hear. I can't help but being confused. If it's true, please tell me, dear. Did you plan to let me go for the other girl that you knew before? Instead, I heard it through the grapevine. Not much longer would you be mine. Oh, I heard it through the grapevine, and I'm just about to lose my mind. Honey, honey, heard it through the grapevine. How much longer would you be my baby? Heard it through the grapevine. How much longer would you be my baby? Heard it through the grapevine. How much longer would you be my baby? Heard it through the grapevine. How much longer would you be my baby? Well, 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 well. but he'll never reach the land on that golden shore. That faint white light, it will haunt his heart till he's only a memory lost in the dark. Dig a hole in the ground, straight down to hell, till there ain't no more water in the well, well, well. When you go down on your knees with nothing left to say, won't you try digging a little deeper in the well, 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 oh, well, 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 well.
isto dogodilo. Baviš je usto, hvala Bogu. Ne, puno je bolje da stojiš. Pa zgodan, jel da? Evo. To!
Pearl's a singer. She stands up when she plays the piano in the nightclub. Pearl's a singer. She sings songs for the lost and the lonely. Her job is entertaining folks, singing songs and telling jokes in the nightclub. Pearl's a singer, and they say that she once was a winner in the contest. Pearl's a singer, and they say that she once got a record. They played it for a week or so on a local radio. It never made it. She wanted to be Betty Grable. Now she sits there at that beer-stained table, dreaming of the things she never got to do. All those dreams that never came true. 1, 2, Pearl's a singer. She stands up when she plays the piano in the nightclub. Pearl's a singer. She sings songs for the lost and for the lonely. Her job is entertaining folks, singing songs and telling jokes in the nightclub. Pearl's a singer. She stands out when she plays the piano in the nightclub. Pearl's a singer. She sings songs for the lost and for the lonely. Her job is entertaining folks, singing songs and telling jokes in the nightclub. Pearl's a singer, yeah, and they say that she once was a winner in a contest. Pearl's a singer, and they say that she once got a record. They played it for a week or so on a local radio. It never made it. Oh yeah.
Matija, prvo je. Vaše.
They say everything can be replaced. They say every distance is not near. So I remember every face. prolazi sve. List zelen, sad je žut, al naša ljubav zar ne, nikad neće proć. Prolazi sve, sva ljeta, zime, sve, jer život mijenja naš svijet, nama tako drag. Za me si lijepa još, ko u dane prvih susreta, u tvojim očima pamti isti žar. Prolazi sve, sve osim sjećanja, al naša ljubav zar ne, nikad neće proć. Za me si lijepa još, ko u dane prvih susreta, u tvojim očima plamti isti žar. Prolazi sve, sve osim sjećanja, al naša ljubav zar ne, nikad neće proć.
Evo za sve koji su se vratili s mora.
Požuri jer autobus već trubi, ni časak ne čeka, on to znaš. Ajd skoči i vrijeme sad ne gubi, zar propast mora svaki vikend naš. Do mora će ravno nas odvesti, u divan i palma puni kraj. Uz prozor ću odmah lijepo sjesti, no prije brzo poljubac mi daj. Jer autobus kalipso to je ljetni hobi moj, bar dok nemam još mali auto svoj. Ubaci vikend šator, naše kišobrane s njim, zatim torbu s provijantom svim. Požuri jer autobus već trubi i kupi još cigareta par, al vrijeme ne gubi, on ne čeka. Putovat s tobom to je strašna stvar. Stoj, 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 jer znaš će osad šumica daleka. Aj, oj, aj, aj. Gle, ode autobus nam taj, ode s njim i vikend moj. To je aj, 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 tu je kraj. Autobus kalipso, to je ljetni hobi moj, bar dok nemam još mali auto svoj. Ubaci vikend šator, naše kišobrane s njim, zatim torbu s provijantom svim. Požuri jer jer autobus već trubi i kupi još cigareta par. Al vrijeme ne gubi, on ne čeka, putovat s tobom to je strašna stvar. Stoj, 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 bez nas će ostat šumica daleka, a ovdje s njimi vikend moj, to je ajajaj, tu je kraj.
Puno vam hvala i vidimo se nekom drugom prilikom. Hvala.
Ko vješti piloti od perja, u lake mašine su sjeli, a onda nad pločnikom bijelim top skriča prepolovi dan. I lete i mašu, te marame bijelje od snijega, na zelenoj padini brijega, gugutanje moki te grad. I gledam ih kako mi mašu. Ruže, najljepše ruže nad mojim gradom. Nema tih stanovnika u slovima općinskih knjiga, oni su samo draga slika za jedan sunčani stan. I gledam ih kako mi mašu, dok lako nad kućama kruže, ma škoda su